Yeah, it seems like something that could certainly transfer generation to generation.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fun.
Luca's into it. It's
Yeah,
funny
right.
when he tried to go the other way though. So he got a tech deck, he got a little skate park. And Tony is still Tony Hawk branded,
Really?
which I was like,
Okay.
Tony Hawk, how old is he now? Anyways,
Arriving.
then he wanted to skateboard, so we got him a skateboard. He's been doing that. He'll do that in a park, and I'm like, he's like, why don't you skateboard? I was like, no. Like,
no.
I can only do this thing now.
Because I'm 40 plus.
Yes. Well, you don't have to put that finer point on it, but yes, lightly 40 plus, like on the low end.
She's ripping us both today. Wow.
I know, it's been tough out here. So it turned out to be a pretty nice day today. I meant to mention the only detriment to it earlier, which was it was pretty breezy. So we were in the upper 30s, 37 in Portland, 37 in Wiscasset, 36 in Lewiston, but a little bit breezy. A lot of sunshine, obviously now transitioning into the nighttime, although it's sunset later, noticeably later at this point. At least we've gained about 40 or 50 minutes from both sides of the day, of course. Snow showers out here into Quebec, and these are going to come through late tonight, early tomorrow morning as part of a cold front that's really quite sharp, and so it has almost the characteristics of an Arctic cold front. See that line right there? That's the small scale model trying to recognize or reconcile some snow squalls, and so that's what we'll be watching tomorrow morning. This is 5 o'clock. Better chance of a snow squall in the mountains and foothills, it looks like. The small scale models kind of rip this apart as it goes towards the coast, but I wouldn't be surprised anywhere in the state tomorrow, first half of the morning, to see a snow squall out there. Winds really kicking up behind it, temperatures falling quickly. So we're at 30 degrees in Portland at 8 a.m., but watch what happens through the afternoon. We drop and drop and drop. So our high temperature may be freezing, but our actual air temperature in the afternoon will likely be in the teens in a lot of spots, single digits even below zero into the mountains by tomorrow night. And then a weak system approaches on Wednesday. This system is almost an open wave. It doesn't really have very strong dynamics to it, but it's cold. It's in the teens, even single digits when it starts snowing on Wednesday morning. So that allows us to squeeze out a reasonable amount of snow out of something that would otherwise really not be a big deal. And so that's because of that cold air. There's that system again, kind of an open wave, not very sharp or well defined with that center of low. And then behind that on Thursday is our coldest day of this week. So kind of a broad brush map on Wednesday, but I don't think there's any reason to get any more specific than this because it's going to be just periods of light snow off and on Wednesday that could add up to 1 to 3 inches of snow because it will be so light and fluffy, a dusting to an inch up to about Aroostook County. I don't foresee that this will be big travel problems here, but that first round may come through during the morning commute. Temperature-wise, coldest there on Thursday, and we stay below average, looks like, into the weekend as well. Something perhaps cooking for Sunday night, Monday. None of this is big though, guys. It doesn't look like any big storms here. Get a windy icon tomorrow, that's as the winds shift, and then another windy icon on Thursday. That day will be truly, really quite bitter because we're only in the teens and it will be windy. Sun only does so much good there. So again, 1 to 3 inches, probably another chance at some light snow Sunday night, Monday. No blockbusters. I always think of, we talked about this, around the Super Bowl time as being blockbuster time. I don't see it right now, but plenty of winter still.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Plenty of winter to come. Thank you, Keith.